We're serious though. So sorry.
7 different parts to your brain. I'll explain. You got the picture part to help you see, and the number part 1, 2, 3. You got the word part to help you talk.
That's
and
boring.
the body part to help you walk. You got this part. You got that part. You got the smart parts. You got the smart parts.
I love Henry's birthday
You
this
got the
morning.
music part to